This is a little bit of an odd video. I've been having sore and itchy eyes for a little while now, and I just put it down to hay fever. But it's not the same sort of feeling. It's more to do with, sometimes it feels like there's something crawling around inside your eye. Now it actually turns out that this is true. There are little things that live inside your eyelashes, down next to the eyelash hair root. And these things are little mites. I think they're called Demodex mites. And I was curious about them. I was just wondering if I had them. I don't know if I've got too many of them or anything like that. I was just wondering if, well, maybe this funny feeling that something's crawling around in your eyelashes is because there is something crawling around in your eyelashes. So, being a good geek, I pulled out my microscope and, using a pair of tweezers, yanked out an eyelash, and I found one of the little buggers. Actually, I found two of them. You can see there are two of them there. So the long straight thing is the eyelash, and that's the root of the eyelash there in the middle, and that sort of oblong thing on top of it is one of these little mites. Now it's really hard to film. I'm just sort of holding my phone up to the eyepiece of the microscope, which is all a bit wobbly. So I'll zoom in on the thing and you should be able to see him actually moving. Let's try that. Okay, this is the little bugger at 60 times magnification, and if I can keep it stable, I think you should be able to see them moving there. They've got 8 legs. You just sort of see them wriggling around. It gets much harder to hold at the higher resolutions. I should probably 3D print a little adapter so I can stick my phone onto the eyepiece. But we'll try going up to the maximum resolution, maximum magnification I can, which is 240 times, and we'll see what he looks like. So here we have the thing at my maximum resolution, which is 240 times. So I've got a 6 times eyepiece and a 40 times objective on here. Now, if I can keep it still. Yeah, I mean, you can see the little thing there. He's got 8 legs, little stubby legs moving away. And if we adjust the fine focus, you should be able to see his mouth parts there. Now, I'm assuming they just eat the skin cells. I'm not sure. But it's kind of creepy to think that these things are living inside your eyelashes. But it's also kind of cool that you can yank one out, shove it under a microscope and have a look at the little things. Very, very neat.